Sakana AI, a Japanese artificial intelligence company, has released something that very well may match Anthropic's Fable in agentic coding performance. Its name, Sakana Fugu. What's most interesting about Fugu is that it's not your traditional LLM. Fugu is a multi-agent orchestration system handled via a single entry point. It's not a massive LLM, it's an orchestrator. To get a better understanding of what an orchestrator is, let's talk about how it works for the end user. Like a traditional LLM, we send a prompt or a request to Fugu's servers. Internally, Fugu is a family of orchestrator models, which are LLMs themselves. However, these models are trained on selecting, planning, and instructing frontier models like Gemini, Claude, and ChatGPT to complete tasks. These orchestrator models determine what needs to be done and creates a plan split up in microtasks. In a parallel pool, these microtasks are then delegated to frontier models. These models complete their own tasks, and Fugu intercepts the output, verifying if the task was completed and weeding out any possible hallucinations. After all of that is done, it combines everything into one final response, and that gets sent back to the end user. Sakana's research is proving that a coordinated group of smaller, specialized models can outcompete the raw, single-shot logic of standalone, monolithic models. The benchmarks don't lie. This theory is able to compete with Fable 5 in many different areas. So this all sounds great, right? The next question is pricing and what it looks like. As of right now, they offer two pricing plans, a token plan and a subscription plan. Like Fable, pricing for this model is not generous in the slightest. With the standard $20 a month plan, you'll likely run out of tokens within just a few prompts. In my experience, you can easily go through $10 worth of tokens in about 15 minutes. They don't specifically state how much you would be paying with Fugu. This is because the model pool is customizable. As we know, Anthropic provides some of the slowest and priciest models, whereas Google generally provides quicker and cheaper models. You can play around with the model pool to get cheaper pricing, but you can expect near Fugu Ultra pricing even with the standard plan. Regardless, the harness that you use matters a lot. I'll go through some of the options right now for harnesses if you'd like to start using Fugu for agentic coding yourself. But before I do, I want to show you guys this really cool ant colony simulator that I created with Fugu, and I just wanted to show off what it can do. It was able to create this simulation of ant colonies that all have tiny neural networks for each individual ant. They essentially try and survive eating food, staying away from danger and other enemy colonies. There are spiders and worms, as you may be able to see. The splashes of color are all different kinds of fruits and berries, and they do actually get better as time goes on using an evolution system. While it may be primitive, it is very cool and it shows the capabilities of Fugu. This only took about one prompt to actually get running, and then I just kept on asking it to add whatever features I wanted. So very, very impressive. Right now, as of June 26th, 2026, the easiest way to use Sakana Fugu is by using their Codeex CLI install script, which is displayed on screen. I don't really recommend this way, but it is the easiest way to get up and running. I just found that this way produced worse results, used more tokens, and I generally just don't like Codeex CLI as much as the options I'm about to show you. For PyAgent, they provide a easy to use install package, as you can see on the screen. All you need to do is run that, select it as a provider, /login, and provide the API key, and you're ready to go. My personal favorite harness, OpenCode, doesn't currently support Sakana as a provider yet, but there is a PR, as you can see on screen, and if you scroll down in the PR, there is actually a configuration snippet that you can copy and paste into your OpenCode config, and you'll get Sakana as a provider through that. It's not too bad, and this should change in the future. With all that being said, I hope you guys enjoyed this video, and if you did, please make sure to leave a like, comment, and subscribe. Let me know in the comments below what you think of Fugu and if you're gonna try it out. With that being said, I'm Average, and have yourselves a great day. Bye.